$10 out the door. Another pawn shop video. Only one of the hand tools, but the guy handed me the whole socket, said $10 out the door. So 12 millimeter Craftsman combination wrench. Unfortunately, I didn't look at it closely. It's my first wrench that's not made in USA. Craftsman. Snap-on, $10, number 1 Phillips, soft grip. Nice pickup. Wish it was number 2, but I'll take it. 3-in-1 oil and wire brush to clean and oil everything, get it ready for use. Screwdriver to scrape off that really thick rust, and then the wire brush to clean and oil it. Handles I clean with alcohol, and as you can see, it cleaned up nice. This one will go in the home toolkit. So 8-inch Proto USA adjustable wrench. Very thick, heavy duty compared to Crescent and Diamond in the same size. This thing is a lot heftier, and as you can see, needed a little bit of cleaning, but a little elbow grease and it's ready for use. I didn't really look at this until I got home, and I could see why they wanted to give this away for free. It's missing the arbor. They're pretty well used, and without the arbor you can't really use it. Also mismatched. I don't have a use for it, so I didn't decline it because he was trying to give me a deal. So anyways, I cleaned it up. I'll give it away to a friend that could use it. So here's a before shot, before cleaning, and after shot. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think.